are at the University of Nairobi Law Campus. We've come in to give them a presentation on data privacy and data governance. And we have, I'd say, the experts from Safaricom to come in and educate the law students.
We agreed to partner with the university to come and deliver 4 sessions in terms of the guest lecturing. And we feel like, having finished just the first one, we find that it is very important for us to come and give the students who are about to graduate the practical aspects of technology. And at Safaricom, I believe we are in a special position to do that.
As part of our engagement with youth, we get to talk about all of our data governance and our privacy practices, exchange ideas, and build knowledge.
As we move along, guys appreciating the importance of data. People are now demanding that our data should be within our jurisdiction. So data localization and data sovereignty is one of the key issues.
Quite excited that I was able to actually participate in this lecture series. Safaricom is a big tech giant in Kenya. It's actually leading the revolutionizing of technology in Africa, not just in Kenya. And having them here was a testament that they actually believe in empowering the next generation of leaders who are going to shape the future of our continent and the world at large.
We're looking for more collaboration, and not just with this university, with other universities as well, and not just for students of law, but students across all the different areas that they are studying in.